Okay, hi everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about the ionic bond. Okay, so today we will be I will be explaining the examples of ionic bond. Okay, so as we know that ionic bond is nothing but it is formed due to the transfer of electrons. So when an electron will transfer from one element to another atom or one atom to another atom, we'll get an ionic bond. Okay, so first example is NaCl. So in this video I will be explaining the formation of example of formation of ionic bond like NaCl, MgCl2, Na2O and AlCl3. Okay, with the help of Lewis dot structure and also cation and anion formation. Okay, so first we will see the formation of NaCl with the help of Lewis dot structure. So sodium atomic number 11, so it can be written as 2 8 1. So if I draw the Lewis dot structure for sodium, so this is Na 1 dot. So as we know that as per the octet rule we have to make the last cell as an 8, so this one electron should be removed. So from that, so when an electron is removed from the sodium, okay, so sodium will become Na plus 1 and plus 1 electron. It means now it has 8 electrons in the last cell. So this one is nothing but the formation of cation. Okay, so in the formation of cation you have to write sodium is losing 1 electrons to form a cation. Next, the another part of this molecule is chlorine. So chlorine atomic number is 17. So if I write cell configuration, this is 2 8 7. So in the last cell we have 7 electrons. So I am just drawing the 7 electrons with the help of which are there in the last cell. So here this 7 is to be become 8. To make this 7 as an 8, 1 electron should be added. Okay, so here chlorine, which has 7 electrons in the last cell previously, now it gain 1 electron and it will become anion. Now it has 8 electrons in the last cell. So now the chlorine become anion. Now it has an 8 electrons in the last cell. So what happened here? 1 electron is transferred from sodium to chlorine. Okay, so you can say ionic bond is example for transfer of electrons. So one electron is transferred from sodium to chlorine, and this is how they now sodium has plus charge and chlorine has minus charge. Now both will combine and we'll get a molecule as an NaCl. Okay, so this is the first example, and next example we have is MgCl2. Okay, so in MgCl2 you can say we have an magnesium and chlorine. Okay, the first example is NaCl, which is very important and it asks for the 4 marks in previous year exam. Okay, so first one we have finished NaCl2. So now second one is MgCl2. So simple, magnesium atomic number is 12, so you can write 2 8 2. So it has 2 electrons in the last cell, so we have to remove these 2 electrons. So now it will form a cation. Mg will become Mg plus 2 plus 2 electrons. So now it has 2 electrons in the last cell previously. Now 2 electrons are removed. Now it has 8 electrons. So it form a cation. So if we talk the other part is chlorine. So chlorine, just now I told you 17 atomic number. So it has 7 electrons in the last cell. So here we have 2 chlorines. So these 2 chlorines will be each chlorine will be removing 1 electron. Okay, so here that is the reason why we'll get 2 electrons is removed from the 2 chlorine. Each chlorine need 1 electron to become stable. Okay, so here we have 2 chlorine, so 2 electrons we need, so this will become 2Cl minus. Okay, so this is a formation of anion. Okay, if we see with the help of Lewis dot structure, so MgCl2 in the last cell it has 2 electrons, so Mg, and you have to write 2 dots. Now here this molecule Cl2 we have 2 chlorines, 1 2, so each chlorine has 7 electrons in the last cell. So here what happens, so as we know Mg want to lose 2 electrons, so from the magnesium, one electrons will be transferred to first chlorine and second electron will transfer to second chlorine. So this is how we got Mg plus 2 and Cl minus 2. So now both will combine and we'll get a molecule as an MgCl2. Okay, so next we have an example as formation of sodium monoxide. Okay, so you can say Na2O. So third one is Na2O. So in Na2 we haven't actually, we know about the sodium, atomic number is 11, so it we want to remove one electron. So when it remove one electron, so now it have Na plus 1. So this is the formation of cation. So similarly here the second element is oxygen. So in this we have two nitrogens. So two sodiums. These two sodiums will be removing two electrons here. Oxygen. So oxygen atomic number is 8, 2, 6. To make it as an 8 in the last cell, it needs more 2 electrons. So oxygen will be gaining 2 electrons. It will become O minus 2. So this is the formation of anion. Okay. So if I explain with the help of Lewis-Dawes structure, so here we have two sodiums, 1, 2. So sodium Lewis-Dawes structure is you have to put one dot in the last cell. Oxygen atomic number 8. In the last cell it has 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as we know that this oxygen need 8 electrons in the last cell, so it will be gaining 1 electron from the first sodium and second electron from the second sodium. So now we have 2 Na plus 2 plus oxygen minus 2. Now both will combine, will get Na2O. So this is a molecule which we found. So fourth one is simple, AlCl3. Okay, aluminum trichloride you can say. So aluminum chloride you could. AlCl3. So aluminum atomic number is 13. This can be written as 2, 8, 3. If you remove this 3 electron, it will become octet. So cation Al gives Al plus 3 plus 3 electrons. So this is the formation of cation. So here a cation is formed, positive charge. Next chlorine. So chlorine already we know it has 17 electrons in the last cell. So 2, 8, 7. To make it as an 8 we need 1 electron. So but here we have 3 chlorines. So 3 chlorines will gaining 3 electrons to become 3Cl minus 1. So here you can see. Okay. So each one having one charge. So here we have a 3. So it will be gaining 3 electrons. Okay. So here you can see. So if I draw the Lewis-Dawes structure of aluminum, so aluminum has 3 electrons in the last cell, and here we have 3 chlorines, 1, 2, 3. So it has 7 electrons in the last cell. So each chlorine has 7 electrons in the last cell. So now chlorine want to become stable, they need 1 electron to become so 1 electron will transfer from aluminum to each chlorine. So 3 electrons will be transferred to 3 chlorine. So here we have Al plus 3 charge, 3 plus we have 3 chlorines. Okay, so each chlorine has 3. So Cl, I can say 3Cl minus 3. So this is cation, this is anion, both will combine and will get a molecule as an AlCl3. So in exam he will be asking a 4 marks question, just explain the formation of NaCl or MgCl2 or Na2 or MgAlCl3 with the help of Lewis-Dawes structure or cation anion method. Okay, so you remember these examples are very important for the 4 marks. Thank you.